FoneJoy Play. It's an amazing device for entertainment on my way to work.
I would have never imagined that playing games on the beach would have been that easy.
This is crazy! This tiny little controller turns my phone into a console! I wish I'd come up with that.
Hi, I'm Martin, the founder of FoneJoy. FoneJoy is a dynamic tech startup based in Hong Kong. And for about a year we have been making and selling these, the FoneJoy Analog, which is a wireless gamepad that connects via Bluetooth to your Android smartphone or tablet. And we got a lot of feedback from you, the users, and made a lot of experience ourselves actually in the product development, which is why we set out this year to make an even better product at a much more compact size. Enter the FoneJoy Play. It's got a horizontal slider, metal plated, which allows you to simply dock your phone into your gamepad, giving you a gaming experience that you've never seen before.
It's actually like my dreams came true.
How many times have you played a really sweet game on an Android or iOS device, but found yourself wishing for better controls? Some games really suffer when your thumbs block the screen or when you don't get any tactile feedback. Tapping glass is a far cry from mashing buttons.
We wanted to create a small-sized game controller that appeals to both core as well as casual gamers. And I think with the FoneJoy Play we exactly accomplished that.
When we were in the early stages of the product development, we were first thinking of using a very conventional approach of vertically locking your phone into your gamepad, as many other gamepads are actually doing, which would have been a much easier solution for us. But there was one fundamental problem with this solution. The feeling would never be the same as with the current FoneJoy Analog, simply because the size of the gamepad would have been much smaller. So we set out to create a horizontal slider, which basically allows you to fully embrace the gamepad, giving you extra hold that you wouldn't have with a smaller gamepad, while still making it very pocketable when you slide it together. And when you dock your phone into the FoneJoy Play, you can still very easily reach the phone's touchscreen while playing with the physical buttons of the gamepad.
As the mechanical engineer for FoneJoy, we had many design challenges we needed to overcome. With the purpose in mind that the FoneJoy's new Play gaming console would be able to fit not only smaller mobile devices, but also the capability to work with devices as large as the Samsung's Galaxy Note. This was done using a proprietary sliding mechanism that allows for each mobile device to have its own customized fit.
We believe that unlike conventional products, the FoneJoy Play's exceptional ergonomics allow for a fantastic gaming experience. But it just doesn't stop there. The gamepad also comes with some fantastic hardware. Inside of the gamepad we can find some specifically designed Bluetooth 3.0 module that allows for great battery power. Actually you can play more than 20 hours with our gamepad. On top of that, the gamepad comes just like the FoneJoy Analog with 14 programmable buttons and 2 analog sticks, which allow for great precision and 3D games. Just like the FoneJoy Analog, it also works with Android devices, but also this time with all iOS, Mac and Windows and Linux devices. We are aware that not only great hardware makes a great gamepad, which is why we've been developing for the past 6 months our own FoneJoy app, which makes it as easy as possible to use our gamepads. On top of that, we want to make it as simple as possible also for game developers to develop games that are compatible with FoneJoy controllers, which is why we started now the development of the software development kit for Android and iOS developers.
Where you get your iPhone to sit in between the two and basically play directly on it like a PSP or similar system. And I think it pretty much revolutionizes the way that we view touchscreen gaming.
This particular controller has a huge future because it allows you to create professional gameplay on the iPhone at basically no cost. I'm just shocked. This is actually very cool. I haven't seen it before.
Currently, FoneJoy is already compatible with more than 150 games on Android. And on iOS, hundreds of iCade-compatible games are supported by us. On top of that, you can make use of a third-party app on iOS and Android to emulate touch controls, which allows you to play almost any game on your smartphone.
The industry often gets set in a trend. Everybody follows the same trend, and it's great to have brave guys that advance hardware. Because of hardware, we can make better games.
And now we need your help. We require $50,000 to get the Fanzon Play ready for mass production and to finish the development of our software development kit for Android and iOS. So back now to help us to change mobile gaming forever.